Picture yourself in the 2020 Toyota Camry. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, power driver's seat, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.